Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a soft microfiber cloth. First, power off your HP 15sfq5083ns laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Now, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel. There are typically 10 screws, so make sure to keep them organized. Once the screws are removed, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam between the back panel and the laptop body. Carefully pry it open, working your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, locate the battery. It's secured by several screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws and set them aside. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Using your fingers or a spudger, gently lift the connector straight up. Once the old battery is removed, take the new battery and align it with the connectors and screw holes. Before securing it, ensure that the connector is firmly attached to the motherboard. If you're unsure about the installation, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your laptop is in the best hands. After securing the battery with screws, it's a good idea to clean the internal components with a microfiber cloth, removing any dust or debris. This can help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. If you don't have the tools for this task, don't worry. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Once everything is in place, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert all the screws, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so. If you'd prefer to avoid the technicalities, we provide no calls, no travel service options, allowing you to stay comfortable while we handle the work. Finally, reconnect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. Check the battery status in the settings to confirm that it's recognized and functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. This way, you can make informed decisions about your laptop's maintenance. That's how you replace the battery on your HP 15sfq5083ns laptop. Following these steps will help ensure a successful installation, and if you ever feel uncertain, our professional services are just a call away. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.